Not all goals should be shared. Best way to reach the top is to walk quietly, step by step. Listen to this story. It shows how quiet work can bring big wins. In a busy city full of bright lights, two young men lived next door to each other. Their names were John and David. Both were about 25 years old. They wanted to make something great in life. John was loud and fun. He loved to talk to everyone. "I will start my own company," he said at parties. "It will change how people use the internet." His friends clapped and said, "Great idea." They shared his words online. John felt happy from all the nice words, but talking felt so good that he did not start the real work. He thought, "I can do it later." David was different. He was quiet. He had a normal job fixing computers in the day. At night, when the city was dark, he went to his room. He worked on his own idea, a phone app to help small shops count their money. David did not tell anyone. He just worked hard every day. He showed strength, the power to keep going when things are hard. One night, John saw David in the hall. John was excited from meeting new people. "Hi, David. What are you doing tonight? Staying home again?" John joked with a big smile. David said, "Yes, just working on something." He did not say more. John laughed. "You need to have more fun. I am talking to rich people next week about my idea. I will be famous." David nodded and stayed calm. He knew the value of keep going, not stopping, even if someone laughs at you. Time passed. He wanted praise. When others say you are good, he thought it would help him, but without real work, nothing changed. He tried to make his idea, but stopped when a friend called. David's days were simple. Every night from 8 to 12, he worked on his app. There were problems, mistakes in the computer that took time to fix. He felt tired sometimes. He learned new things from free videos online. No one knew. He kept it secret to save his time and energy. The problem grew. John started to make fun of David more. At a party with food outside, John said to David, "You are always inside. What do you do? Sleep." People laughed. David felt a little sad, but he stayed calm. He said, "Just building something." John said, "No way. To win, you must tell everyone. That brings help." John looked for fast praise. He shared ideas online for people to say yes or no. Nice words made him happy, but bad words made him change his idea. Maybe not computers. What about exercise? His work went in many ways like wind. David kept his work safe and quiet. Money, he saved from his job. New skills, he learned alone. Bad tests, he fixed and tried again. This never give up, strong will to continue helped him. Fall came with red leaves, then winter with white snow. John had a party to share dreams. "This year I start," he said, holding drinks. David came for a short time and drank water. When asked, "What is your plan?" he said, "Not ready to say." John said, "Okay, but I will win big." Spring brought new flowers. But John was the same. His ideas stayed as ideas. Not the right time, he said. He still had his old job and felt sad seeing others win. David changed a lot. His app was done, easy to use and good. He got a small money help quietly and tested with one shop. The big moment came on a warm summer day 1 year later. News spread. A new app for money help was popular. It was in a city paper. It was David's app. Many people used it fast. Rich people wanted to help because it worked well. At a city party, people said good job to David. John was surprised. He went to David. Is that you? All this time? David smiled. Yes, I just did the work. John felt bad. He saw his dreams were still talk, but David's were real. John learned the truth. David's win came from quiet hard work. John wanted loud praise, but David chose quiet action. The city now cheered the one who worked in secret. Friends, this story shows, work hard and quiet. Let your win make the sound. Do not look for praise. Use your time for real work. Control your actions and good things will come. If this story helped you, press the like button. Join our channel for more simple stories with life tips and English help. Turn on the bell for new videos. Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching now.